Good day everyone, my name is Ademike. You are welcome to day 16 of this challenge. Today we'll be looking at descriptive statistics. What is descriptive statistics in Excel? Descriptive statistics is a way of summarizing and organizing data so it's easier to understand, and it helps us to describe what the data shows using tools like average, percentage, or charts. And there is a tool in Excel that helps us to do these statistics within seconds, within 5 to 10 seconds. So let me show us what we have today. Percentage or charts, and these statistics include the mean. What is mean? Mean is the average value of the data. Add on the value in your worksheet, then divided by the count. You can use the function equal to average. You can use that to get your mean value. Then another one is the mode. The mode is the most occurring value in a data set. Then we have standard deviation. Standard deviation is a measure of the amount of variation in the data relative to the mean. You can use the function equal to stdev.s, then your data set. So what about range? Range is the difference between the smallest and the largest value in your data set. And we have the median. The median is the middle number in a sorted list. It's either you arrange the data set in ascending order or in a descending order. Then we have the minimum. The minimum is the smallest value in your data set. Then we have the maximum, which is the biggest value in your data set. When we say sum is the addition of all the data sets. Then counting the data sets one after the other. We also have what we have kurtosis. It's a measure that defines how heavily the tails of a distribution differ from the tails of a normal distribution. This kurtosis is an advanced level, but as time goes on, we will understand better. Then we have standard error. Standard error is a measure of the variability of the sample means in a sampling distribution. So all this we can perform it on Excel. We have a tool on Excel that helps us to perform this within 10 to 15 seconds. We don't have to do it one after the other. So I will be showing us in Excel. So let's head on to our Excel. Okay. Okay, this is my worksheet. I have some values here I have 25 values here. I have 49.3. Let me zoom it a little so that we can see it. So this is what I have. I have these values here, and we are going to perform descriptive statistics on this value within few seconds. First, we go to our data. This data, after the formula, we see data tools. You add on to your data tools, and you see this data analysis. If you did not have this data analysis, when you click on data in your Excel, you can go to your add-ins. You can add it to your Excel. Simply go to File. Under File, go to Options. When you get to Options, we will go to Add-ins. Excel Add-ins. Make sure it's on Excel Add-in. Then click on Go. Then you see analysis 2 pack, VBA, Euro currency tools, solver add-in. I already have it in my Excel, so just click on it, check the box, then click OK. Then you are done. You already have this. So after having this, all you need to do is go to your data, then click on this data analysis. It's loading. So we have a lot of options, but what we want to do is descriptive statistics. Look for where descriptive statistics is, click on it and click on OK. Then it will bring this option. Now input your range. That means your data set, the range where your data set is. So I'm going to drag from here to my last number, which is this, and I have it. I have from A1 to 25. Then it's asking you, where do you want your output to be? Did you want it out? Do you want your output to be on new worksheet? If you click on this new worksheet, it will take you to new worksheet. But I want mine to be on the same worksheet as my data set. So I will not click on the new worksheet. I will click on this output range, then I click on anywhere here. Just click on anywhere. If you want a new worksheet, you can click on a new worksheet, but I don't want it on a new worksheet, so I just want it beside my data set so that we can see it. So then tick the summary statistics, the KH, the largest and the smallest. Then you can click on this confidence level for me. Then after you've clicking all this, then you OK it and input. Oh, sorry, I need to cut this. So after you've done the add-ins, go to your data. You will see the last page. You will see data analysis. Click on data analysis and it will be in a query box for you like this. Click on descriptive analysis, click OK. Then here is your range, the range where of your data set. So just drag to where your data set stop. So I have my range and output range where you want your data to be. If your output, if you want it to be on a new worksheet, you can click on a new worksheet. If you want it to be on a new workbook, you can click on a new workbook. Then make sure you check these 4 boxes: the summary statistics, confidence level for me, the KHT, the largest and the smallest value. Make sure you check it, you tick it. That's it. Then you click on OK and you have it. You have your descriptive analysis within seconds. You don't need to stress yourself. You know that doing this one after the other can be somewhat stressful, especially when you are dealing with a large data set. So that is it for descriptive statistics. And you have your mean, your standard error, your median, mode, standard deviation, simple variance, kurtosis, squareness, range, minimum, maximum, sum, count, largest, smallest, then confidence level. And we are done with our descriptive statistics. So that's it for today. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and we will attend to your question. Thank you very much. See you again tomorrow. Bye.